Welcome to all. Today we discuss about the Fusion 360 Revolve tool. Now we discuss about the Revolve tool. First we go for a new document. There's a new document, file, new part, and then OK. Now we go for sketch. Select plane for Revolve operation. Create a profile for revolving. Here I draw profile here. This is a water bottle profile drawn here. Close the drawing. I adjust it. We want to give the dimensions. This is 10, and then this one is 8. Adjust the profile and then finish sketch. Here the profile is ready. Then you go for create. In this create tab, we have a revolve. We click profile and then select the profile and click axis and select the axis. The revolved object is getting. Here if you want to bottle, here you have a free space. Use modify tool, a cell, and click top surface, and click the thickness. Here the full water bottle is ready.